here. Now let us come to the other part of speech, and that is conjunction. Junction, do you know? You had seen many junctions in your electric setting at your house, or you had seen junction in your water setting at your house. You had seen. Let me give you idea. If you are having this type of water setting, there will be this type of junction which are used to join two pipes in different direction. This is metallic. Nowadays these are plastic material also. So this is junction. This is joining these two pipes together to just move in two direction. Now again we had changed the direction. If one direction, this direction to this direction. Now again if I need to change, I'll add another junction. The shaded part is junction here. This shaded part is also junction. So junction means joining material, something which joins, which connects. That's why conjunctions tells us about those words which joins to noun or pronoun, or to pronoun. That means ki, listen to me carefully. If there are two nouns, that will be joined with the help of conjunction. If one is noun, other is pronoun, then that will be also joined with the help of conjunction. Yeah, and sometimes there will be both of the words as pronoun. So if there are two pronouns, then also they will be joined with the help of conjunction, with the help of conjunctions. Yeah. So let's see the definition for conjunction. A conjunction is a word used to join words, group of words, or sentence. Thus we can say conjunction are the joining words. Yeah. So sometimes there is not necessary that both of the words will be noun or pronoun only. There may be other words also rather than pronoun or noun. There may be something else. So that will be also joined with the help of conjunction. If you see the conjunction word, then you will get the idea. And word as well as than, only, still, whereas, nevertheless. There are some type of the conjunction which are used in pairs. I had given a few ideas. Either or, neither nor, not only but also. You see na, not only me but also my brother was playing in the garden. So not only but also, these two words are joining them. So therefore is also conjunction word. How therefore is used? I'm weak in mathematics, therefore I don't like maths. Yeah, therefore has joined the both words. So because, otherwise, else. So these type of the words are conjunctional word. Whenever you use these words, then this actually join two words. These words may be noun, these words may be noun pronoun, these words may be pronoun and pronoun also. Student, conjunctional words, that is conjunction and preposition, look alike. Preposition words look for some extent very similar, but you don't get confused between preposition and conjunction. Preposition tells us about the situation of the pronoun or noun, that means where it is situated. Yeah, place. And conjunctional words only joins if you are telling two sentences, and if you want to join them, so that will be done with the help of conjunction. So see, if I am giving you idea, then I am clearing your concept. So I am giving that. I was tired, still I did not take rest. Did you got the idea? Still is conjunction here. Still he was tired, then also he didn't take rest. So that's why I was tired, still I did not. There are two sentences. Let me clear. I was tired. I did not take rest. And if we will join these two sentences, this sentence will be more powerful and more emphatic. So to write this sentence, these two sentences in emphatic way, we will add this conjunction, and then you will see what is the effect of this sentence. See, I was tired, still I did not take rest. Now it is looking more emphatic. If you will say only I was tired, I did not take rest, but if you see मैं थका हुआ था फिर भी मैंने कोई आराम नहीं किया. So it looks more emphatic and powerful. Yeah, so these two sentences are joined with the help of this conjunction. I missed the bus, therefore I took a taxi. So see, if I'll say I missed the bus, I took a taxi. Simple sentence and go on. आपने सीधे से कह दिया बस मिस हो गई, टैक्सी ले लिया, घर चले गए. लेकिन आप कहोगे बस मिस हो गई इसीलिए एक तो टैक्सी ली. सो सी, आई मिस्ड द बस देयरफॉर आई टुक अ टैक्सी. सो दीज आर ज्वाइनिंग वर्ड्स. एंड एक्चुअली इन हिंदी ऑल्सो यू हैड रीड समटाइम्स संयुक्त वाक्य या मिश्र वाक्य. तो संयुक्त वाक्य एंड मिश्र वाक्य आर एक्चुअली सेट ऑफ वाक्स. बहुत सारे वाक्य को एक साथ अगर अच्छे से खूब ज़्यादा सुंदर बनाना है, ज़्यादा शानदार, तो हम उनको ऐड करते हैं. ठीक है. सिमिलरली हेयर ऑल्सो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द सेंटेंसेज हैव बीन एडेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ conjunction. See, this sentence is very beautiful example of that. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Yeah, this is universal truth. That type of truth which happens every day, everywhere, which can't be which you can't ignore them and you can't neglect them, which can't you can say कि tomorrow sunrise will not happen. So no, this will happen every day. That's why this type of sentences are known as universal truth. Yeah, that means moon revolute around the earth. This is also universal truth. True for whole universe and true for always, for every condition, each and every condition. So this is a universal truth, and this is a sentence which is having a conjunction in between it. And what is that conjunction? And yeah, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Me as well as, मैं तो गया ही साथ मेरी मम्मी गए नहीं, ऑनेस्ट हैं. मैं और मेरी माता. सो मी एज वेल एज माई मदर एम ऑनेस्ट. सो इफ यू राइट एज वेल एज, if there are two nouns also, then also you will add this type of singular helping verb. You must have thought of adding are here. See, are. Me as well as my mother are honest. No, that will be wrong. Me as well as my mother am honest. This helping verb will be according to the first noun. So first noun is here am. What do you add with me? I am. I am. Yes. So here you can also write I. That will be better for you. So see, the boy is taller than the girl. Than, comparison between the girl and boy, and that is boy is taller than the girl. So it may be the boy is taller but girl, otherwise the boy is taller, girl is shorter. But if we will add these two sentences with the help of this conjunction, it will look more beautiful. The boy is taller than the girl. The weather was nice, so we went for a ride. So see, so weather was nice and we went for the ride. So we had added two sentences with the help of conjunction. I have to face too much noise, but I am not disturbed. So he is facing very much noise wherever he may be situated, but he is not disturbed and he is doing his studies very well. Is it? So there are two sentences. I have to face much noise. I am not disturbed. So I'll add these two sentences using this conjunction. So I have to face much noise. So too much noise, but I am not disturbed. So this is looking more emphatic, more powerful, and more beautiful sentence. So now I think conjunction is also clear and preposition is also clear, and preposition and conjunction was very, these were, sorry, preposition and conjunction were very much important for you. That's why I had selected these two topics today, preposition and conjunction, and I had given you idea about these. And in our next class I'll go for interjection, because this is very simple. This is having very simple definition, and these are very simple way to understand. These are only, you just recall in your mind exclamatory sentence, same as that. These are much more related to exclamatory sentence. Yeah, I will give you idea, you don't worry. For today your homework is to read these concepts again and again and try to find, and if you are having any book, you read those book also to get other idea and other example also. Write the notes in your fair notebook. Study well, take care, thank you, have a nice day.